Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today to share with you the rest of the layouts that I made. If you remember in the previous video, I'll link it here, but I shared with you the paper branding paper that comes with the kit. It has the branding strip right around here, and I covered it with these photos I'm going to add, and then some of the ephemera and sentiments from the collection as well. So that's what I did with that page. And then Paige Evans' class, she did another repetition one with the 3x3 blocks. This is her crafted moments collection. I think that's her newest one. But I did two different layouts, and I'll be adding pictures later. But I followed how she taught us in class, that she likes to use like monochromatic, or maybe it's not monochromatic, but the same like color palette in her clusters. And then I was running out, so you can see I made do with what I could. So I got those two pages, and then this last pages, there was just some strips that I added to the one side, and then I used up the rest of the flower ephemera that came with the kit, and then I'll be adding 4x6 photos here. Yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed my share. I don't have very much of that kit left. It all fits right here in this little 6x6 paper plastic wrapping. These are the only sentiments and ephemera I have left. The rest are all just like paper that paper scraps. So I considered this collection smashed. But hopefully you guys enjoyed all my inspiration with this collection. I loved working with it. Thank you, Paige Evans. Thank you to Scrapbook and Cards Today for hosting the event that I took the class at. I look forward to many more, so hopefully you guys are too. And hopefully you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas, shakas.